Good morning, YouTubers. Johnny Valentine here. Coming back from a long YouTube hiatus, and we're just doing a little job right now. Special guest. Here we are.
He's back.
We're at a secure location. They've been just getting it. Me and Abraham just been having babies, delivering babies, suckling them, everything. Not personally suckling them. So we're gonna be putting 3 panels on this standing seam metal roof today. Nothing you haven't seen before. Gonna be using the A2N clamp. It's a great clamp. I don't know if we got much light in here yet, but I will show you. Here's that grundfos controller. That
IO101 SQ Flex.
This is Abraham, one of the most rapidly up and coming prepping celebrities in the preposphere. And here's the prepper dough. Here's some of that beautiful plumbing work from Scott Hunt. He's got a simple pump. You got a simple pump, a grundfos, and a straight up?
And a straight up grundfos.
You don't have an English pump in here?
English? No
Like
English pump.
It's like a 1-horse.
No.
So there's not a big pump in here. He's got a nice little grundfos. It's
an SQ.
Flex.
No, I got an SQ Flex and an SQ.
Okay, so you can go straight AC.
We can do straight AC, we can do AC DC, we can do solar, we can do generator, whatever you want. Or we can hook a mule to that handle. Hi folks. Good to have Johnny back. It's been like a year and a half.
I've been building a porch. I've been in Mexican porch building world. There's that grundfos controller. That's going to select between AC and DC power. So it can run off these 3 panels, or it can run off the grid. There's our wire penetration. We're going to get it. So by far the best part of any job is going to lunch with Engineer 775. We always go to lunch. We always do it just right. He's got a new truck, and it is like, it's totally, man, your truck, oh, you don't have any like those mud guard things? Yeah. You don't have any,
Not yet.
I'm like, don't even want to get in.
Yet. Come on, let's go eat.
Am I allowed to film inside your truck?
Yeah.
This is the best part.
If you want.
Going to lunch with Engineer 775, free consults, all lunch. Want to eat a burger? It's got the panels up. There he is.
A 1-inch cat, and we're still studying.
So what is this video about? At first I thought it was just a solar video, but the more I get into it. So what do you got going on, boss?
What do we got going on? On this video?
Look right there at the
Hello,
logo.
folks.
Just like I tell my
Welcome to
kids.
the Game Solar channel. Hope you've checked out all of Johnny's videos, because there's some awesome videos on his channel.
We're not that good.
Well, he's
building
being
content.
modest. This is a spaghetti plumbing. This job has changed. You ever have a job that you had to redo 3 or 4 times because they keep moving buildings? So we had this tank up in the house. It's moved down into this house. So every time you move all these things, you got to re-plumb all these things.
Yeah, costs work and costs money.
I don't like doing that, but sometimes you got to. The customer's always right.
This is what I want, though. I think this is a great idea. I mean, this is probably really expensive. What's it called? The Babcock Davis hatch. This is awesome. You can pull his pump. Remember that time we were in that little pump house? You remember that little pump house?
Which one are you talking about?
The little bitty one.
North Carolina?
With that nice lady that gave us the cheesecake. She gave us the cheese strudels afterwards.
Oh man, those were good.
Yeah.
We've been in a lot of small pump hatches. They keep getting smaller.
But this hatch is awesome. So he's got, there's the panels.
I'm looking for a 1-inch cat.
Finished panels. And then I'm gonna take you around and show you this hatch. Great idea. You could, I guess this is like the least commercial of the hatches. It looks pretty commercial. So it's actually really cool in there because we're using that hatch. So I thought it was awesome. Most pump houses, you're just gonna have to tear the roof off when you pull the pump out, or take a part of the roofing panel out, but that's great. If you ever have to pull the pump, it's ready. Maybe that's what this video is about. So you guys have already seen these solar jobs. A little bit of 3D wire right there. Still haven't done a truck video. Truck's ever evolving. These guys are really trying to figure this out.
boom, boom. You need 1, 2 90s
Yeah.
to do that.
Why not?
Okay, and then
I guess I just want to take the time to say that I'm the one that introduced Abraham and Scott. So like, Scott was my friend before. Scott was my friend before Abraham and Scott were friends, and Abraham was my friend before Abraham and Scott were friends. It's kind of like when your friends start becoming more friends, then they're friends with you, and then they gang up on you. So this is not a safe. Work doesn't feel like a safe place right now.
Oh gosh.
She's all done. We were pumping water, right, boss? Yep. We got the pumping system done. This is just a little bitty well pumping system. Pumps into a cistern at the top of the hill. I don't know if you can see I believe that's the overflow up there. Hey, is that a green pipe up there, the overflow?
No, the overflow's right down here.
Oh, really? Where's the tank at?
The tank's up there where the candy cane is. No pictures.
Oh, really?
No pictures.
Where's that guy?
So with water's in the house. Yep, everything's flowing good. Yeah, so we're done. Okay. But
Engineer
there will be,
775.
we're gonna make another.
Just got a new truck. Where I come from, Abraham's 10th anniversary today. Where I come from, when you drive a truck with rims like that, it means something. Hey, what does it mean to you when you see rims like that? Gangsta?
Don't mess with me.
True to the gizzone.
Mad Max.
It's a truck right there. I'm just driving in the white whale.